This is Kumiko-Teressa reporting from Tokyo, Japan. I'll be introducing you tons of delicious ramen noodle places. Have you ever tried ramen noodles in Tokyo? If you haven't, you really should. This guy over here, his name is Dorance Ishimoto. He's a comedian in Japan known for eating tons of good ramen noodles, and he knows a lot about it, and he's the one who's going to be doing the report. So let's check out today's Tokyo ramen. Today I'm going to introduce miso ramen from a ramen noodle shop in Dogenzaka, Shibuya, which is a very popular tourist spot in Japan. Ramen noodles from this place uses one of Japan's popular seasonings, which roasts miso to make the soup. Blended miso from Shinshu and Hokkaido with roasted garlic and miso in a hot soup is amazingly delicious. The smell of the rich soup will surely allure your appetite. The chewy and curly noodles are sent from Sapporo every single day. When you mix ginger that's placed on top of big boiled pork called chashu into the soup, you can enjoy a different flavor. This place is a 5-minute walk from JR Shibuya Station. Come take pictures with Hachiko in front of the station. Make sure you visit Shibuya Crossing, which is a very popular spot for tourists, with Shibuya Center Guy. So, what did you think? I bet you would like to try ramen noodles from this shop. Next time you're in Tokyo, make sure you try this ramen noodles, and don't forget to let your friends know. I'll be introducing a lot of Tokyo ramen noodles, so be on the lookout. I think I'm going to try a bite. This is delicious. So, I will see you in ramen noodle places in Tokyo. Bye!